Hello, today's our topic is about Crucial's algorithm for minimum spanning tree. In this we'll see how to implement Crucial's algorithm for finding minimum spanning tree in graph. So in this code first I have given a header file ash include stdio.h, and here I have given a white swap. Inside this I have given integer x and integer y in pointers, and here integer t equal to x and x is equals to y, and y will be equal to t. And here I have given a white sort. Inside this I have given integer n and comma int a of array, int b of array, and int c of array. And here I have given int I comma j comma t, and here I am using the for loop. Inside this for loop I have given I equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, and I increment. And here j equals to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1, and j increment. And here if c of j is greater than c of j plus 1, there will be a swap between c of j and c of j plus 1, and a of j and a of j plus 1, b of j and b of j plus 1. And here I have given int find. Inside this I have given int v and int p of array. So here if p of v equal to minus 1, then it will return a v, and it will return p of v equal to find p of v comma p. And here I have given a wide union underscore op. Inside this I have given int from and int to, int p of array and int r of array. And here if r from is greater than r2, then p of 2 will be equal to from, or else if r from is less than r2, then p of from will be equal to 2, or else p of from equal to 2, then r of 2 will be equal to 1. And here I have given a wide crucial MST. Inside this I have given int v and int n, int a of array, int b of array, and int c of array. And here I have given int p of v, int r of v, and int s of v minus 1, and d of v minus 1, w t v minus 1. And here I am using the for loop. Inside this for loop I have given I equals to 0, I less than v, and I increment. And here p of I equal to minus 1, then r of I equal to 0. Then here I have given int j equals to 0, I equals to 0, and here I am using the while loop. Inside this while loop I have given I less than v minus 1 and j less than n. And here it will be int from equal to find a of array comma p, and int 2 equal to find b of j comma p. And here if from equal to 2, then plus plus j it will be, and it will continue. Then here I have given union underscore op. Inside this I have given from 2 comma p comma r. Then here it will be s of I equal to a of j, and d of I will be equal to b of j, and w t of I equal to c of j, and I increment, j increment. Then here I am using the for loop. Inside this for loop I have given I equals to 0, I less than b minus 1, and I increment. Then it will print the edges and the cost, and here the sum equals to wt of I. Then it will print the cost of minimum spanning tree. Then here inside this main I have given int n comma I comma v. Then it will print the number of the edges, and it will take from the user, and it will ask to enter the number of the vertices, and then here it will take from the user. And here in this for loop I have given I equals to 0, I less than n, and I increment. Then it will ask to enter the source and of a of I, and it will ask to enter the destination, and it will ask to enter the cost. And here it will sort the n comma a comma b comma c. Then crucial MST v comma n comma a comma b comma c. Then now we will run the code. So here it asks to enter the number of edges. I have given a 5, and it asks to enter the number of vertices. I have given a 4. Then it asks to enter the source. I have given a 0, and it asks to enter the destination. I have given 1. Then it asks the cost. Then I have given 25. Then here in this source I have given 0 and destination 2, and cost I have given 15. And here in this source I have given 0 and destination 3 and cost 20. And then here I have given a source 2 and destination 5, and cost as 9, and it has printed the edges, the cost 9 and 20, 20, 20, 25, and the cost of the minimum spanning tree is 54. So the code is executed successfully. Thank you.